Hey guys, it's Kim here with Verily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on another carding and spinning video. Today I will be showing you how I make a Monet yarn. It's very similar to a fractal, but has more subtle transitions between the colors. And there are a million different ways you could do this. I suggest getting Grace Shalom Hopkins' book Roving and or the recipe card for Monet effect yarn, and I will have a link to her channel in show notes down below. So before we get started, I would like to give a huge welcome to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you very much, and we are almost to my first goal of 500, and I'm really excited about that. Thank you so much for helping me achieve this. And you guys are awesome. I love all the comments and the questions, suggestions, all that. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button. Remember, when we get to 1,000 subs, then we'll be able to start doing live videos with live chat. And that's what I'm really, really excited about. So to create a Monet effect yarn, first you need a dyed fiber, and it can be any type of color. It doesn't have to be striping or gradient or anything like that. I am using January's Inspired by You colorway. It was a gradient rainbow on Eider top, and I split it in half lengthwise and set one half aside so I would have one strand of my yarn going from one end of the gradient to the other once, which is very similar to how you do a fractal. And then during a live Instagram feed, I took this fiber and I split it up for a fractal, and then later changed my mind and decided to do a Monet. So here I am. I have split the fibers across the grain at the color transitions, and now I'm carding each color to itself to create semi-solid bats that are mostly solid, very slightly semi-solid. Each little color went through the carding through the drum carder twice and were set aside. When I was finished with that, I came back to the project and decided I wanted more of a subtle gradient or more of a true gradient in these carded bats. So I separated each bat into a section of the true color and then a little section, two little sections to blend into the fiber on either side of that particular color. You will get to see that portion at the end of the carding section before the spinning begins. But I wanted to tell you, share a few details about this wool that I have noticed in my spinning. So I suppose this is not just a how I make a Monet yarn, but also a little bit of a breed study. Eider top is from the German whitehead mutton sheep. I don't know why the wool has a different name from the sheep, but there you have it. According to what I read online, they're supposed to be a long wool sheep, but this fiber is not long. It is more of a medium length, short to medium. I would say medium. And it spins like a medium. It does not spin like a short fiber, short and fine. It does not spin like a long, coarse wool. It spins like a medium wool. It's easy to spin, very easy. It's fairly soft. If you have sensitive skin, this is not next to skin soft, but I'm going to wear it next to my skin and see how it does. I haven't finished my first Eider project yet, so we'll have to give you a review on how it does next to the skin after I finished it. What I did notice while I was working on this particular Monet yarn is that the bats, the carded bats, were so much easier to spin. It's like the drum carder transformed this combed top into the prep that the fiber best responds to, brought out the best characteristics of this fiber and was easier to spin and much more enjoyable to spin. So I would recommend if you get Eider top. It's very easy to spin as is, but running it through the drum carder will make it so much more enjoyable to spin. And besides, who doesn't like playing with color, right? I'm really in this kick of transforming color on the drum carder. For some reason, it's a phase I'm going through, I suppose. But I want to change everything and watch the magic happen as the colors are blended on the carder. It's just phenomenally, magically amazing. So anywho, I am going to turn on the music and let you enjoy the rest of this video. And I hope you enjoy everything you do today. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.